In Jordan Peele's new thriller, a young family discovers that blank. Wait, isn't Jordan Peele the one that directed Get Out?
No, that was Keegan-Michael Key.
No, I'm pretty sure it was Jordan Peele.
Guys.
I got it.
Alexa, who directed Get Out?
Get Out's director is Jordan Peele.
See, I told you!
At my house, game nights are no joke, but with voice assistant programs like Amazon Alexa, we're able to avoid any unnecessary conflict and get answers to pressing questions on the spot. What is a voice assistant program? Well, it's a digital assistant that processes vocal requests and retrieves relevant information to fulfill that request. But how does this process actually work?
To understand how this process works, we must first understand natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a broad field that studies the use of AI and computational linguistics to enable computers to recognize, understand, and synthesize the way we speak naturally. NLP is the guiding force behind a voice assistant program's primary functions. These functions can be divided into signal word detection, speech recognition, program response, and execution. In the first stage, a signal word such as "Hey Siri" or "Alexa" tells the device to start recording the user's speech. Unless an input matches the pre-programmed trigger, no recording will begin. Second, the extensive process of speech recognition begins with the speaker issuing a command.
Alexa, who directed Get Out?
Speech recognition software breaks down the commands into individual sounds. These sounds are then converted into a textual format using an analog to digital converter, or an ADC, that transforms the vibrations of speech into a digital binary format. From there, natural language understanding, a subset of NLP, uses software to normalize the audio levels, speech, and eliminate background noise. This normalization relies on an algorithm to match the recorded speech with samples pre-saved in the software's vocabulary and in the cloud. Specifically, each vowel has a unique frequency pattern that the algorithm can identify to create the smallest level of speech, called a phoneme. The algorithm compares the series of phonemes to possible word matches in the database, and dynamic decoding actively orders the words into the most probable sequence. The program uses NLP to understand the words and consult the cloud-based center to process the request, using another algorithm to match operation words like call and play to various pre-programmed functions like weather, names, or music. Lastly, Alexa, Google, or Siri executes your command and elicits a programmed response created by reversing the process of voice recognition to synthesize speech, and then playing the song, setting a timer, or answering your question.
So the next time it's game night and you want to avoid an argument, try using your virtual assistant. Now, back to the game.